Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming basic prerequisites and launching the right app. Make sure your iPhone or Mac is running a recent OS and signed into iCloud so calendar data syncs. Open Settings, then Calendar on iPhone, or open Calendar and choose Preferences on Mac. This gets you straight to the calendar display options you need. Once done, you're ready to add an alternate calendar view. This step prevents missed changes and keeps your Hebrew calendar synced across devices automatically. Now change the alternate calendar setting so Hebrew dates appear alongside Gregorian dates. On iPhone, use Settings, Calendar, Alternate Calendars, and select Hebrew. On Mac, open Calendar Preferences and enable Show Alternate Calendar, selecting Hebrew. This overlays Jewish months and days on your existing events so you can see both systems at once. Make sure to inspect a few dates and holiday markers to confirm the lunar months align. If the overlay doesn't appear, toggle Calendar Sync off and on to force an update. Finish by adding any extra subscribed iCal feeds for community-specific holidays or time zone-adjusted dates. Use Mail or Safari to open a public Ike's link and choose Subscribe, or add via Calendar File New Calendar Subscription on Mac. Then confirm visibility by enabling the new calendar in the sidebar. If events don't appear, make sure iCloud Calendar is enabled, re-sign into your Apple ID, or restart the calendar app. A common fix: toggle Calendar Sync off, wait a few seconds, then toggle it back on.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.